Every month, we make our way out to the countryside to take some time out of the busyness of our everyday for some nature, some fresh air, and quality time with family. For Leo, this means getting to know his extended family and playing with his cousins. Today, we decided it was the perfect opportunity to take a walk on the farm to see some friendly farm animals. So we pulled on our gumboots and put on our coats and set out for an adventure on the farm. On a fun-filled day like this, I try to get as much rest as I can while we're on the road, so that when we get back home, Mark can get a bit of time off to wind down. Because it's not easy being the driver in Auckland traffic. Once we arrive home, I unload the bountiful feijoas we collected from the farm. What a treat! And everybody knows the only way to end a road trip is to get takeaways for dinner. For us, tonight it's Korean. A trip to the farm also means we get rainwater. Lots of rainwater. Since Leo was able to walk, Botany Town Centre has become our new favourite playground. There's a saying in the Montessori world, there's no such thing as bad weather, only inappropriate clothing. And while our clothing choice is not the best for the occasion, we are certainly not going to let that stop our discovery today. Everything this little guy does is about experiences, and he loves to challenge himself. And we as parents try our best to encourage him and enable him to do that as much as possible. Thanks for joining us on our journey. See you next time.